If you need to change the phone number on your Epic Games account, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can update your number quickly and correctly. Whether you're replacing an old phone number, switching to a new one, or just making sure your account information is up to date, this guide will make it simple. And if this video helps, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Epic Games website. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the account icon. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and log in with the email and password connected to your Epic Games account. After you sign in, click on your display name. A menu should appear, and from there select Account. This will take you to your main account settings page, where Epic Games keeps all of your profile and security options. Now on the left-hand side of the screen, look for Password and Security and click it. This is the section where Epic Games manages login settings, authentication options, and security details tied to your account. Once you're inside the Password and Security page, scroll down until you find the two-factor authentication section. Epic Games uses this area to manage extra security features, including SMS Authentication. If you already have a phone number connected, you'll see the SMS Authentication option listed here. Next, find the current phone number and look for the edit option, usually shown with a pencil icon. In some cases, you may see a remove option first. If that happens, remove the old number before adding the new one. The goal here is to make sure the outdated number is no longer attached to your account. After that, choose your country code from the drop-down list. This is important because Epic Games needs the number formatted correctly for your region. Then type in your new phone number carefully. Double-check every digit before moving forward, because even one wrong number can stop the verification code from reaching you. Once the number is entered, click Add Phone Number. Epic Games will then send a 6-digit verification code to the new phone number you entered. Open your messages, grab that code, and type it into the verification box on the screen. After entering the code, click Activate. If the code is correct, your new phone number will be linked to your Epic Games account successfully. At this point, your account should now show the updated number, and SMS Authentication will use the new phone going forward. If the code doesn't arrive right away, wait a minute and check that the number was entered correctly. You can also make sure your phone has signal and can receive text messages. If needed, try the process again and confirm that your country code and phone number are accurate. And that's it. You've now changed the phone number on your Epic Games account. It only takes a few minutes once you know where to go, and now your account information is fully updated. If this tutorial helped you out, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.